Okay, I'm here with the locksmith trying to get into my apartment, and hopefully he's able to do it. I have my fingers crossed. So he's trying to work my lock right now. All my stuff is in there and I don't have a key, so he's trying to get in there.
Do you have a key
Interesting.
inside? Do you have a key?
Do I have a key?
Yeah.
No, I don't have a key.
Why?
That's why I need a locksmith, because I don't have a key.
You lost the key?
Yeah, I lost the key. It's not working?
I don't know, just a moment. So somebody try this one.
Someone tried to, what, open it? This sucks. All my stuff is in there, people. Like, do you ever ask, like, people, like, do they actually live places? Like, what if someone's actually, like, trying to get in somewhere where they didn't belong to? Has that ever happened? No? That would be kind of a nifty idea if you're a
Do you have a
burglar,
back
huh? Mm-mm. Just windows only.
Just window.
It's not looking like it's gonna work? Freaking, wouldn't that be a nifty idea though, if you're a burglar, like call the locksmith and say you locked yourself out, and then get in there and be like, thanks, then like go pull up your truck and that's really bad. But that's how my criminal mind works. Oh my gosh, I really hope I can get in here. Anyways, folks, I'm too stressed out right now. I'm crossing my fingers and toes and everything, so I'll check back with you in a minute. Hopefully we can get in here. This sucks. So, oh yeah, that's what I was saying, because I never liked that part. Yay! What about this one? That one. That one's locked too. Well, we actually opened the screen, so we're halfway there.
Please, we check up the how can you live here? How
Huh?
did you know you live here?
Yes, I live here.
Your room? Your apartment, right?
Yes, sir.
Can I see your ID, please? Yeah.
Sure. See where all my joking got me? The guy thought I didn't live here. Let me let the guy do his work and stop messing around. Oh, mi vida loca. Thank you. We have good news, folks. Da, 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 da. I got in. I didn't think I was gonna get in, folks, but I got in.